Going.
Alright, man, how many?
4 beers. It's gonna come out like hell. Might be a little messy.
A little dark.
It's all you, buddy.
Ooh. You're almost there. Look, it's almost there. How do you feel?
Not good.
Like $1 million minus 9 whatever. Oh yeah, it's gonna come back up. It's just a matter of time. Holy crap.
How much did you spill, buddy?
Dude, it comes out too fast.
I know.
Can't do it.
How many beers did you... Aw, are you filming still?
Yep.
Yuck. Party like a rock star.
Oh my god.
Party like a rock star.
I knew it.
There's a signature right there.
Yep.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh!
I'm stepping away. Oh my
You're
god.
the man, Jacob. You're the fucking man.
Dang.
That's still a problem. It was only like 3 beers. It's something. I know I had to spill a beer's worth.
At least.
Charlotte did too. Like it comes out so fast. And I was trying to play with the valve.
Didn't work.
You feel better?
Yeah.
Or a couple more times?